So if your page is still showing you page not recommendable, I'm going to be sharing with you what you would do in this video. So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you for clicking to watch this. So yes, I still get a lot of questions from people asking me different questions around their pages or their profile on Facebook. So one of the questions I will be replying in this video is page not recommendable. So now if you're trying to monetize your page, your Facebook page, or you already have a monetized Facebook page and you're experiencing this right on my screen, yeah, you're experiencing this right now, I'm going to tell you what you're going to be doing. Now I'm going to give you the reason why you're having this right now on your page or your profile. It's either you uploaded on original content, you used maybe a music in your video, or there's a word you used in a comment section, or when you wrote maybe an article or whatever, there were certain words you used that are not allowed on Facebook and you went ahead to use it. So these and many more could be one of the reasons why you are having page not recommendable. Now what do you need to do? Now to some persons, they will tell me they've already deleted it and this thing is still showing. Now it's still showing because Facebook wants to see how ready or how changed you are. Yes, it might sound funny to you but that is the truth. So for somebody who has done this multiple times and you delete or Facebook remove this from your page themselves, all right, they are not going to remove, they're not going to change it to a profile or page recommendable immediately. It's going to take some time. Sometimes it could take a month, sometimes it could take 3 months, depending on the violation you actually had. So for example, if you're already a YouTuber, you might be used to some of these things. If YouTube gives you a strike, probably because you violated one of their policy, what YouTube is going to do is you're going to see that strike showing on your dashboard, like on your YouTube studio. You're going to see this thing show on your dashboard for about 60 days. Yes, 60 days. So it's almost the same thing. If you have an issue on Facebook is actually going to they will recommend your videos. That means whatever video you'll be posting for that period will be limited to, they will just limit your how they allow your videos go viral. So what they want to do is they want to ensure that you're not hurting anybody on their platform, and they also want to see how changed you are. So for example, if you have page not recommendable, just keep posting. That's if Facebook has removed it. For some, they might not remove it themselves because probably it is not a very serious thing, but if it's around sexual nudity and some kind of things, Facebook will delete that content themselves, but they are going to tell you that your page is no longer recommendable. So all you need to do is just be patient with them. They are going to remove it, but you don't just sit down there, you don't post videos anymore. You have to continue posting videos. So once they see your seriousness, once they see that, oh, this person is actually better, or they will even tell you to go and read their content monetization policy and what have you. So once you read, you keep posting videos, they are going to remove it themselves. So some people will tell you, why not contact support and all of it. You remember, this thing is based on a system. So if their system detected this, they might go back to tell you that just wait for some time, it is going to clear. That is what you are going to see. So that's why I always advise people, be very, very careful what you post. If you're posting unoriginal content, ensure you re-edit it well. If you're going to be using music, use music from your sound collection, and of course you can also use your own recorded song or recorded sound, whichever one you want to use. Be very, very careful with the kind of words you use. Be very, very careful with what you say. Like keyboard warriors, they're always very, very ready to type and say all kinds. Be very, very careful, because you can do some things, but when you're coming to social media space, they want their space to be safe for everyone. So what is when you wouldn't know until you try monetizing. When you try monetizing, you see yourself having content monetization policy issue for long, I still see people send me or send. I still see people comment in the comment section that they're still having content monetization policy issue. Like, I have done several videos on this. Then I have even done a video to practically show you how I was able to clear this thing from one of my pages. I'm going to be linking that in the description box, so that you can actually see. But for those still battling, page not recommended or not recommendable, this is for you. If Facebook has deleted that video themselves, keep posting, but post original content. Post videos that don't have copyrighted music. Be very, very careful with the kind of words you use, and with time, Facebook is going to remove it. I know a lot of persons are in a hurry. They were like, oh, just keep posting. For example, if your page is on maybe yellow, you have a yellow sign or a red sign, it's going to take Facebook months. Have a red sign, or maybe on your profile now, you see there's a red sign, you see there, don't see it. You will keep posting videos, but the issue is that video might not go viral because you are having issues on your page. Guess what? Facebook will remove that restriction. It will take a whole year them to remove that restriction. That's the honest truth. Yes, a whole year. But if it is on yellow, it might take just a couple of months. So I would advise you to just abandon your page, or just abandon it like that. Maybe if you have your own on red, the red button, you can actually just leave that page for a while, for a whole year, and just create maybe another page and start posting videos for the meantime. Yes, because if you have that red, they will actually demonetize you. That's the honest truth. And if it's on red, it's going to take a whole year before they remove that restriction, and that is when you can monetize again. So if you're having that kind of issue, please just go and create another page. But if your own is not that, your own is not that, you don't have that kind of issue, or your own is not that bad, you can just give it some time. Facebook will remove that restriction from your page or from your profile. So I guess I've been able to answer this page not recommendable thing. If you still have other Facebook issues you want to ask, I still see a lot of them in the comment section, and I try as much as possible to direct them to different videos on this. So yes, if you have other questions for me, I have a playlist, a whole playlist regarding Facebook monetization, how to set up your Facebook, how to download music that will not put you into trouble, how to even re-edit content. Like you want to re-edit other people's content. Yes, you can make money through this. I'm going to be doing another video showing you again, in full context, how you can go about this, how you can actually make money through other people's content. So yes, I would advise you, like I said, to go through the playlist I have on Facebook monetization and Facebook tips. It's gonna help you. So if you've done all of that and you still have some questions you still want to ask me, you can go ahead to drop them in the comment section. Remember, I'll drop every related resources for you, that's videos for you, in the description box, so you can go ahead to watch them. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course turn on your post notification so that you can see my subsequent videos. All right, thank you so much everyone.